So this is the resume that I'm going to use as an example. Now, if you zoom in, there's going to be a little website. So what you're going to do is you're going to select that website by simply clicking on it, and it's going to be surrounded by a purple border. You're going to right click, and then you're going to go to link. From here, you're going to type in the link that you want to use in your resume. So I typed in www.google.com, and it says here display mode, it's going to be a link. So once it's done, you're going to go to the bottom here and select done. Now, if you select the pencil icon, you can also change the text. So I'm going to change it to something such as googlesite.com. Then I'm going to select done. Then you're going to go to the top right and select share. Then go to download, file type, make sure that you choose PDF standard, then select download. Once it is done, go to the top here and select open file. And if we zoom in, you can see that our link is clickable due to the line underneath the entire text. So you're going to select it. And as you can see here, it opens google.com. And there you go.